Welcome to Crafting Things with the Winona Public Library. My name is Samantha, and today we are going to make paper bag snowflakes. What you will need for this craft is the scissors, a 12-inch piece of twine, 12 glue dots, and 6 small paper bags. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our paper bags, and we're going to use 1 inch. And let me see so you can see that. Alright, so we're going to start with our first paper bag. And then we are going to take our glue dots, and we just need 2 to start. We're going to take our first glue dot, and we're going to place it on top of the bag where it folds, so the heaviest part of the bag. And I should mention that you want the bottom of the bag facing away from you. So go ahead and take that first glue dot and place it on the bottom of the bag. Then take your second glue dot and place it kind of about 2 inches from the bottom. About right here. That one does not want to attach. There we go. And you're going to take your second bag and you're going to place it on top of your first bag. And then you're just going to want to kind of press and hold just to make sure that those glue dots attach properly. So see, they've attached. Then we're going to repeat this now until we have all of the bags attached. Alright, so now all of your bags are going to be attached like this. So next thing we want to do is we're just going to trim a little bit off the top of the bags right here. I would say maybe about 2 inches from the top you're going to cut. You'll notice that this is going to be quite a bit for your scissors to cut through, so it'll be a little tough. Okay, so you'll have a cut. Next, what we'll do is on the top here, we're just going to cut a pattern. It can be triangles, it could be little squiggles, it could be one big triangle going in or going out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a triangle going in. There we go. Not the best, but it'll work. Okay, so next what you're going to do is going to cut a pattern here or here. You could do like waves, or you could do triangles, and I would space them out. And so I'm going to do triangles, and what you're going to do too is you're not going to cut past this portion, you're just going to cut up to that portion. So again, this can be kind of tough because you have to cut through 6 paper bags. Okay, so there's one side completed. Okay, so I have my patterns on all 3 sides. Next we're going to unfold this like an accordion. And when you do this, don't pull from the bottom, pull from the top. You want to leave the bottom as is. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to attach these 2 end sides. So you might find that it's going to be a little bit of a struggle. you're going to pull like this. So when our finished product will look a little like this. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to take my last two glue dots that I have and I'm going to attach them to one of the end bags and I'm going to press and hold them together. So let's take a better look. I'll do this side. Okay, so again, one at the bottom. Okay, and one about the midsection right here. Alright, and then we're going to do the accordion style thing again. Attach the last two bags together. This is always the tricky part. So, got my top do that. Alright, we'll get my bottom do that. Alright, so, there we go. So I got it connected. Next thing I'm going to do is I need to cut a hole to put my string. And I'm going to cut my hole where these two connected just because I need some extra reinforcement to keep these guys together. And you might have to do a little pressing and holding in some areas, like here I see I need to do that a little bit better. But what we'll do is you're going to pinch the inside of your bag. Pinch it like this, that you can cut into both bags. And you could even just do a little slice like this. Okay. I cut into both bags. Right there. I'm going to take my string and we'll thread it through. And I'll tie a knot. Alright. And then you might find that you have to flush things out just a little bit better. You can unfold the bags a little bit more too if you need to. But there you go, there's your paper bag snowflake. And then you can hang this in your home, wherever you would like.